I don't need to convince you that starting a social media marketing agency is an amazing business model, because if you're watching this video, you probably already know that. I can say from experience that starting an agency completely changed my life. This award right here is a 2 Comma Club award for our agency, VTL, that we earned for doing over $1 million through our business in only 1 year. Back in 2016, my business partner, Derek, and I started our agency with no experience, no courses or mentors to show us the way. And in only 6 months, we were able to completely replace our 6-figure incomes, and we were able to both quit our jobs. In this video, I'm gonna break down exactly what I would do for the first couple of days and the first couple of weeks of starting an agency if I was starting over today, knowing everything that I know now from running my own 7-figure business for the last decade. The social media industry has gotten so much more important when it comes to the success and failures of businesses today. And our job as agency owners has gotten so much easier in so many different ways. I mean this deeply. There's no single business that is viable for beginners online that will give you as much money as consistently as the social media marketing agency model. I also want to invite anybody watching this video to drop a comment down below with any questions that you have. We reply to every single comment that comes through on this channel, so let us know your questions and we'll make sure that we get back to you. So step number 1, if you want to fire your boss and quit your job, is you need to figure out exactly what income you need to be able to do so. Let me explain. The single thing that really set Derek and I apart, and I think really made us successful when we were starting our agency, is we knew exactly what we needed to be making in terms of income to be able to quit our jobs by the date that we set. So we started our business in November of 2016, and we knew that we wanted to quit our jobs about 6 months later on June 1st, 2017. Now, we didn't say, hey, we need to replace our 6-figure income. We said, hey, what is the minimum amount that we need to be making to be able to cover our costs and be able to quit our jobs? Very different number than what we were making for our income. Each of us is doing about $120,000 in income per year, but when we did the napkin math, we realized that we only needed to be at $60,000 each in order to quit our jobs, and we could grow from there. Do some quick napkin math with me. Grab a paper and pen, whatever's easy for you, and let's do this together. Add your rent, add your utilities, look at how much you spend on things every month like food and anything else that is a fixed cost or a monthly recurring expense that is necessary to live your life, and write that down. Now add in some additional expenses for things that you like to do, like your hobbies, maybe an annual trip, whatever it is, add those in as well, because you're not gonna wanna step away from being able to do those just to start a business. What I want you to get at here is I want you to understand the minimum amount of money that you need to be making to be able to sustain the type of lifestyle that you have now without a lot of the frills and extras and the things that you waste money on. I think that we can both agree that you'd be willing to sacrifice a little bit of fun stuff in the short term to be able to build a business that's gonna return many multiples more fun stuff to you in the future in the long term. Derek and I did this exact exercise back in 2016, and as I mentioned, what we realized was that we only needed to be making $60,000 per year, which meant that if we did all the work ourselves, we only needed to be making $120,000 with our agency and be able to quit our jobs. Now, step number 2 is you want to go through this quick start checklist that I'm going to review with you here, because these are the bare minimums that you need in order to get started with a social media marketing agency. In our program, the SMMA Blueprint, I'll link to that in the description down below. We walk through this entire process in a whole video module with a bunch of different videos and companion guides, but I'm just going to break down the bare minimum essentials for you guys so you can get started with this. Here's what you actually need. First of all, a name. If you can't figure out a name, go to ChatGPT, start riffing on agency names. Super simple, pick a name, move on with your life. Number 2 is a domain. So after you pick your name, make sure that the .com is available, and then go ahead and purchase the domain. This is the www.whateveryouragencyname.com. 99% of people, if they hear your agency name, they're gonna go to agencyname.com, not agencyname.io, .net, .ai, whatever. So I suggest that you make sure that the .com is available. The next thing that you need is a professional email address. So I suggest you use G Suite. You can set this up with most website builders like Squarespace or Wix or whatever as you create your agency website, but you can just go to googleworkspace.com, sign up. There's like a $5 plan, $5 per month. You now have an agency email. Super simple. The next thing that you're gonna need is an agency website. When you're first getting started, I suggest that maybe you get started with easy website builders like Squarespace, Wix. There's a great agency software called Go High Level that a lot of agency owners use to build their website on, and you can also use it to service all of your clients, build landing pages, and use it in the future. So if you take a look at Go High Level and you think that you're gonna go ahead and use that, I'll drop a link to an agency website that you can one-click install and start customizing for your own business in the description down below, so make sure you check that out. Now, the next thing that you need to really legitimize all of this is gonna be some sort of incorporation for your agency. So this is not legal advice. It's gonna vary greatly depending on where you are in the world, but here in the United States, there's 2 ways that you can incorporate your business. Either A, you can be a sole proprietor, which basically just means that you're taxed as yourself, and it's a really easy way to get started in business. Doesn't really cost anything. but it doesn't really offer you any legal protections. So best practice is to form what is called an LLC, or limited liability company. The drawback to this is it's about $150 to $300 depending on what state you're in, but the benefits are that it protects you from legal liability in case anything goes wrong and a bunch of other stuff. Again, not legal advice. Do your own research on this. Ask ChatGPT, ask Google, move on. But that is literally it. Those 5 things are all you need to literally be up and running with a business, to be able to start reaching out to prospects. Sure, there's other things that you might want, like a business checking account and all of that, but you can set that up as you start doing prospecting. This is literally all you need to get rolling. Back in 2016, Derek and I literally got all of this done in one single day. 2 weeks later, we had our first client paying us almost $3,000 per month. If we can do it, you can do it. Take action, get this stuff done, and you'll be off to the races. Now that we have our agency set up, it's time to start getting in front of some clients. Now, the single biggest question that often comes up is, hey, I have no experience. I've never done this before. Why is somebody gonna give me money, or thousands of dollars every month, to manage their social media for them? And there's some truth to that. So if that's a limiting belief that you have, I definitely think that there's a million different ways that you can overcome it. But the biggest way that we've seen a lot of students have a lot of success is by doing what's called a free trial, or a case study. So for this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna maybe go in a Facebook group where there's a lot of different people in the niche that we wanna work in, or maybe we just post on our own Facebook, hey, if anybody knows a business owner, I'm starting a social media marketing agency. I'm willing to work for free for the first couple of weeks to help somebody grow their business in exchange for a case study or some experience. Let me know who you know or if you would be interested. And you'll be amazed at how many people know business owners, are a business owner themselves, have some side hustle that they're looking to grow, and they'll reach out to you and they'll say, hey, I'm looking to grow my business. I'd be interested in having a conversation. It's really eye-opening. I can't tell you how many times I've seen students do this. They post it on Facebook, a bunch of people come through, all of a sudden they have 3 different case studies to choose from, and they're off to the races. Now, what we wanna do for this is we wanna work with somebody for a 7 or 14-day free trial period. The whole point of this isn't to blow up their business. It's really to give you experience in doing this. How to get access to their ad account, how to post to social media for them, how to get access to their business manager. These types of things that the first time that you do it is gonna be a little clunky, where you might come off as inexperienced if you're doing this in front of a paid client. These are things that people are often worried about, but when you're doing it for free, it really just lowers the barrier, it lowers the stress. It's like, hey, I'm doing this for free. This is my first time doing this. The whole point of this is so that I can get some experience. Now, a question that often comes up is, hey, how do I convert this free paying client to a paid trial? Now, for this free trial, a great campaign that you can run is what is called a giveaway campaign. So all you're gonna do for this is you're gonna give away some sort of free thing in the form of an advertisement to targets that they wanna be getting in front of. So let's say you're working with a gym. You could offer a 7-day free trial to the gym. Let's say you're working with a hair salon. You could have a giveaway of some hair products where a bunch of people could fill out a form in exchange to potentially win. But what's happening is your hair salon client is getting a bunch of different leads to potentially market to for their business. This is a win-win. They give away $50 worth of hair product, but they get 50 different leads of people that might be interested in haircuts that they can reach out to. They pick one winner, but they have 49 other people that might be interested in being a client of their hair salon. This works really, really well for all different types of industries. It's a great way to just have a quick, easy campaign that you can launch, start driving some results for your clients, and roll that into a case study to go get your first paying client. Now, the next thing that you want to be doing for this free trial, and honestly for the rest of the time that you're going to be running your business, is consistent outreach. We recently uploaded a video on this channel with the biggest mistakes that we see agency owners make, and it is this right here. They send a few emails, they send a few DMs, and they either bop around between the two frequently, or they stop altogether when they have somebody who's interested in potentially doing business with their agency. They never do enough outreach through one single channel to see any type of result, or they see some sort of result and then they stop doing the thing that was getting them the result, and their funnel dries up for future prospects. Derek and I were super successful in a really short amount of time because we did this. Every single day when we were launching our agency, we sent out 50 manual emails to businesses in our area that we were potentially interested in doing business with. This meant that every single month there was 3,000 prospecting emails out in the prospecting ocean in front of potential clients that could potentially be doing business with us. Over time, this started to work well. But the thing is, that first month, there wasn't a ton of stuff happening. We got a couple of quick wins. We closed one client, but we kept being consistent, and it snowballed over time to the point that we were making 6 figures per year in no time. I 100% attribute our success with this, though, to the first step that I talked about in this video. Having those financial goals, knowing what we needed to hit, gave us the motivation on the days that we didn't feel like sending the emails to keep going and keep tracking towards that goal. If you're interested in the exact cold email scripts that we used to scale our agency to 7 figures per year, check out the description down below, I'll drop a link to our exact email scripts. Now, step 5 is you need to understand fulfillment in order to be successful. If you want to be successful in this business, you need to make your clients successful, which means that you need to know how to fulfill services for them, drive great results, make them happy. Now, unfortunately, there's a lot to this, and it's more in depth than I can cover in this one single video, but I do have something amazing for you. There's an entire playlist on our YouTube channel that goes into all different methods of fulfilling services for your clients. I'll drop a link to that playlist in the description down below. There's tons of free content on our YouTube channel. We've been uploading 7+ years at this point, specifically on topics like this that can help you get started. A couple of great videos just to highlight that you might want to check out is our video on how to deliver results for fitness clients. It's one of our highest viewed videos on our whole channel. Another one that gets a ton of great feedback is how to deliver great results for roofers. Each of those talks about the whole process from start to finish, like how to run your ad, how to create a funnel, what the fulfillment services should look like for all of that, plus a bunch of templates that you can use within your own agency to get started. Another great place to look as well is the masterclass video. It's about 30 minutes long that Derek created on this channel. I'll link to that in the description down below as well, but he literally talks you through in even greater detail than I did on how to do the free trial, how to set up your business, and all sorts of granular things on service fulfillment to get you started. Now, if you want to accelerate your success, some great places to look are our course, the SMMA Blueprint. It's 110 videos taking you through everything from top to bottom, start to finish, on how to start, grow, and scale your agency. So talking about things like how to set up your business, fulfilling services for your business, and everything in between is covered in great detail in the Blueprint course. If the Blueprint course is too expensive for your taste, we have a great community called Growth School, which is a subscription community where we have a bunch of different courses on service fulfillment and different things like that. So I'll link to that in the description down below. You can check that out as well. This video right here would be a great one to watch after this one. It's that video I mentioned about Derek where he walks you through top to bottom, start to finish, how to start, grow, and scale your agency for free.